Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
I am so happy I answered the door. Jehovah's Witnesses, but listen, no, not your regular Jehovah's Witnesses, Jamaican Jehovah's Witnesses. And look at this. Them have it in patois. On a really a control. Who really a control this here world here? On a thing say a God, man, or somebody else. Patois make me a dead. This is what the Bible say. The devil control the whole world. God boy pick me come in the world. Fi mash up the devil walk. If I laugh a boss. But a true thing though. But I hold the white man there.
Viewers and subscribers, it had came to my attention that the Bible had been translated into Jamaica's Creole language. Patois, you see it? Now, I have never held this Bible in my hands before, viewers and subscribers, but based on the research that I have done, it says that this Bible exists. The Bible that has been translated into Jamaica's Creole language, Patois. And the name of this Bible is said to be the Jamaican New Testament. Now, I don't know if there's another one out there, viewers and subscribers, but the one that I have found while I've done my research is said to be the Jamaican New Testament. How me start to think about something like this, or how me even put my mind to something like this, is all about this video that is out on social media that shows of a man that says that he has been visited by Jamaican Jehovah's Witnesses, and they gave him something where I would call it a pamphlet that is written in Jamaica's Creole language, the Patois. You see it? Viewers and subscribers, I would like for you to tell me what you think about something like this. You see what I'm saying to you? In my point of view, I think this is a big step, a good step, and I only hope that the translations is accurate. That's the only thing I'm saying about that. But this is a big step, alright? Yeah, so big up to all Jamaicans, you see? And big up to everyone else, you see? You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla there to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Oh no, big up on yourself. You see it?